Where's my money, Sanaya? Not playing. Well, if you don't want to give me my money, we're going to have a war.
Was hired to guide the Magic in their post-Dwight Howard era. But with a current record of 15 and 37, and after dropping his 10th straight game,
give me your money.
San Antonio, was dismissed.
Oh, no. It's torn up. Oh, no.
Cavaliers will host the LA
Yeah.
Arena. And Cavaliers star LeBron James offered up the media on Wednesday this sixth.
Surrender. You're gonna give me mercy. What is it? No mercy? Put it down. Kiss Curry with the shot. Vampire with the. Yay! Now it's time for the high riser intent of you asked for it. What I asked for.
Good evening, sweet world, and welcome to the Starters. Whether you're joining us live online, listening to the podcast, or catching us on NBA TV, we're very happy to have you.
You forgot to upload it.
Thank you for joining us. To my right, Starters blog.
You should follow down. Oh!
And finally, the international minister, Leslie Host. Trey's got a new team for us. I'm excited to know next about. I don't think
No! No!
that's how little we know.
No!
We'll get that up.
No!
We're starting.
No!
For a season of 51 points
No!
in the Golden State 128.
No! Don't you say I'm dead! No!
What? I'm gonna do one more time, choose.
God.
How you defend these guys.
It was nice that he got a 50-point game at home, as you mentioned. His other 50-point on the road. And as you mentioned, yes, you can't stop them. I felt like Steph's was more impressive than Clay's. Yes, I do feel that way because Steph created